Hi everyone, AI has moved really fast in the last 2 years, and most people are using AI tools in their day to day work. For example, engineers are now using Copilot to write code. In fact, some companies have made it mandatory for their engineers to use Copilot. And in few cases, managers are using AI tools for generating meeting summaries or for creating PPTs, which is a great thing. But there is a misconception that a lot of people have in their mind, and that misconception is that if they are using a AI tool like a Copilot or ChatGPT, then they have become AI professionals. I want to clarify this huge misconception in today's video. If you are using a AI tool, you have become AI assisted or AI enabled professional, which is a great thing because nowadays using an AI tool is just like writing email or maybe using a spreadsheet. It has become a very common skill. Without the skill, companies will not even consider you for new roles. So using AI tools is absolutely mandatory. But just using an AI tool does not make you an AI professional. And that distinction matters more than what people actually realize. Here is what true AI professionals actually do. So, the real AI professionals are those who are actually building those models. They are not the ones who are just creating content using AI tools. They are the people who actually build the data pipelines. They are the people who actually design the architecture. AI professionals actually train, fine tune, evaluate, and monitor models. They are the people who deploy AI systems into production. They are the people who actually own the latency, cost, security, and governance. And finally, they are the people who take the blame when the model actually fails to perform at scale. So, using AI tools is just a skill which is mandatory, but building AI tools or building AI systems is actually a different profession. And many people actually miss this simple point. So think about it like this. If you know Microsoft Excel very well, it does not make you a data scientist. If you are using Canva on a day-to-day basis, it actually does not make you a designer. Or if you are very good at creating PPTs, it does not make you a consultant. Similarly, using ChatGPT or any other tool does not make you a AI engineer or a AI professional. But many people who use these tools today think or assume that I am into AI. They usually say I work in AI, which is not correct. They are just AI enabled or AI assisted professionals. They are not the AI engineers, architects, or researchers. And you should not feel bad about it. It is just plain truth that you are doing your job with the help of AI tools. You are not actually the person who is creating those systems or those tools. So remember that high paying jobs in AI exist for a very simple reason that somebody has to design, build, own, and defend AI systems end to end. And those roles actually are high paying roles. So, if you want to build a high paying AI career, stop asking this question, which tool should I learn next? And instead of that, start asking this question: how can I get into a role where a company is building a AI system? For that, go and look for AI engineers, AI governance, AI product specialist, or AI project manager, etc. kind of roles in AI companies. Very simple. Go and read the job descriptions and you will know what do these companies expect, what kind of experience and what kind of skills. Then focus on learning those skills and gaining those experiences. All right, that is how you need to clearly see the difference between being AI assisted or AI enabled professional and actually being a AI professional. All right, I hope this video got you the clarity. Please let me know what you think about it in comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like and the hype button, and don't forget to share it in your WhatsApp groups. I'll see you on another video soon. Take care and bye for now.